Champion is back.
Listen to this guy. So, you know, when you're on a streak, you keep it going. All right.
And I'm done.
And you're done.
Oh.
Which one's it going to be?
Restart.
Nope. Right,
And...
right. Are you done? Nope.
Oh.
Right.
Done.
Okay, close. Which one?
I'm guessing.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because it was closer to that.
Okay. Listen, I'm not going to argue. Your logic has been working, so...
Don't make me.
Man, this is great, but you know what? It is dinner time, and I am getting hungry, so if we have to end the streak to eat... Let's see.
I'm never going to end the streak.
Well, we're going to run out of cubes eventually. Oh, boy. Ah,
Wait!
catch.
One's open.
Well, you got one to stock, one to rock, but that is a little bit of an extra. Okay, so now we can hang on to him, and we can open him later. But I think that means that...
It's not over, because we can open him. And opening is always super good.
That is true.
So.
That is true. We can take him for a walk on the block here shortly.
So I still didn't lose, but we have to eat dinner, so
But
we have to stop.
All right. Time for a break, but that's it. Nikki's track record is really, really terrific. So, all right, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow as always.